Guys, there is a one more thing I want to explain. Okay, there is a one. Let me find what I have written. Okay, www dot. There's a Applipedia. Applipedia.com. So guys, please note it down this website. Applipedia.com. Okay. Applipedia. Applipedia Palo Alto. Instead of going direct website. Okay, see that this is it. Okay, applipedia.paloaltonetworks.com. Okay, so let me check with everyone. Okay, note it down. So what is actually, guys? It's a Palo Alto, website. That's for Applipedia means what? Like a Wikipedia. So the Appli means what? Applicationpedia, some kind of stuff. So there is actually, guys, if you want to look for information about the application, like if someone would not mention here, could be, guys. Okay, so then we can view all the information here, like Skype only. Okay, I'm searching Skype only. Okay, just type Skype. So we will see all the information. Skype. Okay, this is it, Skype. Okay. So whatever the information, guys, there, if you're not able to find there, we will able to view all the information here. Okay, these are the descriptions, reference, dependent. So actually, we need to look for the depends on application. That is very much important. Actually, as I explained that if you're allowing Skype, that is not going to be work. We need to also allow where this application Skype is depends on. So those applications also need to be allowed. Actually, okay. So if you allow some kind of application which is not working and you don't know any information that whether that particular application is actually depends on some other application, we can view those information at these websites. Okay, implicit use application, web browsing characteristics, SAS, VoIP, risky, standard post, TCP dynamic, evasive, VS, all the information whatever we have seen here, the same information we are able to see. So that is actually a very much important websites. Okay, note it down, it's gonna use. Okay, so that's what all the information of the application, guys. Okay, so let's see, we can create something. Okay, okay, so let's come, guys, and create some policy. Okay, so we have a policy. Okay, and we know that in this topology this guy has a internet access. Okay, 176.1.1. Okay, let's open it. So this T capital. So guys, actually, this one has a internet access. We know that. See that Facebook is coming. Anyone have a fake Facebook username and password? We can check. Actually, you guys can check it, right? So, like, I'm going to create one policy, and like, okay, so just create Facebook chat log policy. Okay, give the source IP. We know that. So source IP suppose belongs to the zone. Yeah, I know that it belongs to the inside. And address, let me give the same address, 172.16.1.1. So that is my IP. Okay, that this is IP of this PC. Where you want to go? So it's going to the any. Just keep it any because it's going to the outside. Put the any. Okay, that's fine. Come to the application, guys. Okay, at the application, type Facebook. You guys see that if someone like that particular PC has already access of a Facebook. If I select Facebook chat, okay, if I select Facebook posting, file sharing, whatever, even you don't want to go for a video calling, Facebook video calling, you don't want that someone can use voice message, video, like there's a calling, WhatsApp. So video calling, voice call, whatever. Like I also want that this should not use WhatsApp. Okay, it's WhatsApp is there. Okay, so WhatsApp base. Okay, WhatsApp base, it would be everything in the base. If you type Facebook base, it's going to block all WhatsApp. Okay, there's one more thing, guys. Let me okay, keep it like this. Okay, WhatsApp base, and service is okay. Action, guys, I want to block it. I don't want, I just want to drop it. Okay, deny. Let me just type okay. Okay, that policy is create, but guys, that policy, if I'll commit it, is this policy going to be work? If I commit it, is this policy going to be work, guys? Like if this user want to access facebook.com or WhatsApp, so we need to make it in top. Okay, because in the above there is a one allow policy is by default allow policy is there, so we need to make it on the top because firewall checking the top to our bottom. Okay, I want to block one more things, like come to the objects. There is one more thing, like I want to go to the general, not file sharing, uh, instant messaging guys. I also want to block instant messaging. Okay, instant messaging, even the internet conferencing, these two I want to block, internet conferencing or instant messaging. Okay, for the instant messaging, what are the stuffs are there? You can find out Baidu. See that Baidu is what? Baidu is a China Twitter. Okay. Now come to the policy. I'm taking your example as well. So come to this policy, and I'm going to block full instant messaging. Okay, instead of going for a specific applications, I'm going to block a full. Come to that and subcategory. Okay, just type instant messaging. Just type instant messaging. See that is there. If it is not there, see that it's not there, right? Instant messaging is not there. So how we can do that? I want to block all subcategories. Okay, come here, guys. So there is a thing. What we can do? Go to the objects. There is one application group, guys. Like object groups, there is an application group. Okay. This was I have created for my previous class. So let me explain what is application group now. So instead of going for the one by one, okay, specific application, we can create a one application group. Like I have creating a name of the application group. That's a name. Okay, it could be anything. And there, guys, in the one group, I can put whatever the like instant messaging. Okay. Okay. So category is not coming. Whatever the like Skype, I want to create. Whatever the application you want to put it here, actually you can do it. Okay, full Skype is there. Okay, I want to type Facebook. Okay, I want to put. So guys, make sure the base is whatever the Facebook base is actually all chats and everything would be in the base. Base is the very much. It means if you allow base, it's going to be allow all the things. Okay, like I also want to include YouTube. Okay, so YouTube base, like I also want to allow Google. Okay, Google base. Okay, need to allow Google base. Okay, so that's how we can create a multiple application group, guys. Okay, multiple application group we can create just like an object group. Okay, if you want to put that application group, see that. Okay, like if I create some other group, like a other group, anything the name would be, and even I can bring that application group as well. This type application group which I have just created. Okay, you will see that application group just created. And if you want to add some more stuffs like SSH, anything, okay, any other application individual, you can bring that. Okay, something issue, I don't know, let me check with it. Get into detail, let me bring it again. So come to that application. Yes, yeah, so that's how we can create. Even though we can call we can call in this group, even we can call the object group as well. Okay, like we can create. So see that if you, in the other group, there's the two groups I have created. In the other group, the member is 2. In the application, there's a member is 4. These are the applications. There is a SSH. And then groups. Even what if you added some other groups, you will get the information here, groups. Okay. And application group is added here. So that's how we can even create a specific user-based object group, and even the application group as well. Okay. Now come to the application filter. What is application filter which you are talking about? Okay. Let me delete. So application filter is what, guys? Like I want to block the category based. Okay. So let's create just this is the name. We have seen that what is application group. In the application group, we can in the one group we can create a group. We can put individual application. Individual application we can put it. Even that particular group also we can bring into the some other group. Okay, that's what. So likewise, as someone has asked that how we can. I don't want to block some specific application like Facebook, Google, whatever it is. I want to block full categories like we used to do at the URL, right? So that things for blocking a full category, we need to go to the application filter. Okay, into the application filter, go to that. Like if you want to block full collaboration, everything, okay, you need to select that. What you want to block. Okay, if you just see that, guys, if I will just select the collaboration, everything, so in the collaboration there are 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 7 subcategories are there. If email, instant messaging, internet conferencing, social business, social networking, web posting, whatever you want to allow or block, I don't know, whatever it is going to be a part of this application filter. Whatever the group you have created, this is going to be part of this group. Like I'm just give me the name, don't be confused. Application filter group. Okay. Like as well, if I, instead of, this is a category, I want to create a even subcategory. Okay. In this collaboration, I want to choose, instead of 7, I want to choose only instant messaging. Okay. So like I have just selected instant messaging and let me type okay. So what happened? There is a one group created with the name application filter group, and there is a category which is collaboration, and subcategory is what? Instant messaging. Okay. What you need to do, allow in the policy or block in the policy, that we can do at the policy. But here what we are doing, we are creating a category and subcategory based object group, right? So we have created a category and subcategory based object group. Like I also want to create a one more application filter group, okay, in the category based, okay, and just give a name just like, guys, okay, give a name that any name suggest, guys. Just I want to block all the conferencing and all the instant messaging. So for that reason, I want to create a one object category based object group, like chatting and conferencing. Okay, that's a name. Okay, chatting and conferencing group. So we know that the chatting and conferencing actually coming to the collaboration. Select collaboration, and chatting is called instant messaging. Okay, select it. And even in internet conferencing also I want to put in this group. Select it. If you want to bring some more subcategories, social network, web, you need to just select it. Okay. If you want to special one, you can select it from here, guys. Right? If you don't want to select all the subcategory, you want to just select one individual one or two, you can do that. Even how much filter we can do that, guys, just see that. Okay. So like I have created this, the chatting and conferencing, you can see that it's also belongs to the collaboration, and instant messaging and internet conferencing, 2 kinds of subcategory are there. Okay. Now come to the policy. Okay. And I come to the Facebook chat blog policy, which I have created it. Go to the application and let's add that filter one. Okay. So chatting, something name was I have written chatting and conferencing something. Yeah, see that application filter. It's mentioned, it's application filter. Okay. So that is chatting and conferencing. I have added instant messaging and conferencing into this. Okay. These 2 subcategory I have added it. Type okay. And let's commit it. Let's see if it's work or not. Whatever the application which is using instant messaging and internet conferencing, that actually I want to block. So I have created one deny rule and come to the application. Okay, and just go to add and type chat where it is, chatting. See that chatting and conferencing, which the group I have created. Okay, in the group I have created an action, I have already given the deny. Okay, I want that to the deny rule. That is deny. Okay, fine. Okay, it's 2 times selected. So guys, see that chatting and conferencing, Facebook chat, Facebook posting, Facebook voice, WhatsApp voice. If that PC will try to access those are the application, that should not work actually. Okay, let's okay, and then commit the change. Okay, so there is a one more hack actually I want to let you know, guys. Like while you committing that, actually this one doesn't have any kind of license for that. But if you are committing any kind of application, you need to validate first, guys. Make sure if you validate it, you will get that if any kind of application like Skype has some kind of dependency application. So if that particular application has some kind of dependency, you are able to view that actually in the validation. Actually, you are able to view that. But here actually in this operating system, we will not see that because it doesn't have a license. But in the license version, if you try to, before committing any kind of application based policy, make sure to validate that. Okay, so you will just give the example, you will able to see that Skype, like Skype is the application is actually has some kind of other app, it depends on some other application. We will see that those depend application also need to be allowed that. Okay, anyway, let's commit it, guys. Okay, meanwhile, while committing, we know that this PC has access of internet and Facebook. Okay, we'll see that whether now it's working or not. It's taking time. It's 98%. It should be done. Close. So in this policy, I have Facebook chat, Facebook posting, Facebook voice, WhatsApp base, and chatting. But guys, I didn't block the Facebook. Facebook, if this guy want to access Facebook, if he want to get access, he will actually. Facebook, I didn't block it, guys. But if anyone have a check with that, just log in with your Facebook credential and just try to chat with anyone. You won't be able to actually. That is blocked actually. But Facebook, you will get it. Why? Because Facebook is enabled, but you won't be able to get access for what, and try for the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is blocked, right? Wait, WhatsApp.com. Give me one more, guys. Okay, so web.whatsapp.com. It should not work, guys. See that this site can't be reached. Okay, so this one is actually blocking by the firewall. Okay, see that you won't be able to. Even if you try to log in some Genesys belong to, guys, conferencing. Okay, and the spelling is correct. And let's see, it is opening, but that is belong to some kind of a internet conferencing, some kind of a conferencing, any kind of link actually going for the conferencing. That should not work. Let's see. I don't know the exact website for testing, but anyway, WhatsApp is not working. Okay, these are okay. Let it be. Even if I want to block Facebook.com, we can do that. Okay, so like we can see that. Okay, this one is working. Like if even in the policy, the Facebook is working. Come to the policy, and like I want to block a full Facebook. Okay, I want to allow. Yeah. So just see that, guys, this PC is actually have access of even google.com. and facebook.com. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We can create a policy and let's see. Block Google base. Just allow Facebook base. Type OK. Okay. Meanwhile, let it be. Let's commit, guys. Let's wait for 28%. Let's see. Come to this policy. Come to this firewall. Okay. Let's close this and open some new cognito. See that, guys? So Facebook is not working now. Okay. What? See that Facebook is not working. Earlier it was working, right? Google.com. That is not working, guys. Okay. If I try to access, Yahoo should work. Yahoo is working. See that? Okay. Yahoo is working, but Google is not working. Facebook is not working. Even web WhatsApp would not working 100%. WhatsApp.com, whatever it is. Actually, its website is something else. Web.whatsapp.com. We know that what's happening, guys, here 170.16, 100.6.089. We have created some kind of a that rule, right? Okay, you guys don't know. I will explain later. See that if I go for proceed, it will ask for the login credential. See that. So that's the other things. Okay, it was I have explained in my previous class. Let it be. Just don't follow it. So see that how we can block Facebook and Google and Yahoo is enabled. Okay, so guys, in your practice, what you guys will do that allow the Facebook, okay, but block the Facebook chat and Facebook posting. Okay, allow the Facebook, guys. Okay, and just try to allow the Facebook, and what you can do, enable the Facebook, but block the Facebook chat and Facebook posting. And then, guys, commit the policy and just try to log in from this PC to the internet, to the facebook.com. And if you have any login credentials, because I don't want to use mine personal, just log in your Facebook in any fake ID, log into your Facebook and try to do a chat or try to do a post something. You won't be able to. Okay. So that's how you can actually do a lab for that. Okay, guys.